Hi, I'm Carrie with BTOD.com. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your autonomous Smartdesk 2 Premium. If you're interested in electric standing desks or ergonomic products, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our other social medias. Let's get into the video. First, I'm going to attach the legs to the support beam. And take the legs so I can easily measure out how wide it should be. And then I'm going to slide the support beam over the legs. And next I'm going to use 8 of the M screws and the provided Allen wrench, and I'm going to attach the legs to the support beam. And next I'm going to take 4 of the K screws and the provided Allen wrench and attach the feet to the legs. Next, I'm going to take 4 of the M screws and attach the brackets to the support beam. Next, I'm going to take 12 rubber cushions and attach them to the top of the beam and the brackets. Make sure before you lay your top down that you protect your top by putting a towel or something soft underneath, and then you will need a partner to help you take the frame and flipping it over onto the top. And next I'm going to loosen the screws on the support beam so we can measure the frame correctly to our work surface. Make sure that you also leave a 1-inch gap on either side of the frame. Once you have your frame measured to your work surface, make sure to retighten all of your screws. Next, I'm going to measure my frame to my work surface to make sure that it's centered. And next I'm going to attach the frame to the top using a drill. Make sure that you're using a Phillips bit. Also make sure that your cords are not underneath the top and the frame, and I'm also going to be using the O screws. Next, I'm going to attach the control box using 2 O-screws. Next, I'm going to attach the control switch using 2 P-screws. Next, I'm going to connect the legs of the control switch to the control box. And now I'm going to plug in the power cable to the control box. And next, you're going to plug in your desk into an outlet, and then I will go over the initialization process of your desk. Press the up and down buttons at the same time until it beeps and goes down to the lowest level. Your desk is ready to use. And that is how you assemble your Smartdesk 2 Premium by Autonomous. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel because we have more coming. And also, don't forget to follow us on our other social medias. Thanks for watching.